Hey guys, mga ka-channel, magagamit tayo nitong sabi nila nakakaganda daw. The Niacinamide Plus. Hindi ko kasi matanggalan ng filter para makita talaga yung mukha ko, no? But anyway, may picture naman akong ginawa. Hindi naman ganyang kalayuan yung tunay kong mukha dito sa filter nitong video na to. So, this is our day 1. Day 1. And, there you go. Gaganyan-ganyan. Tingnan natin kung may gaganda pa tayo. Okay, that's my day 1 of using the Niacinamide Plus I ordered in Shopee. Okay, thank you.